Hollanda Fries. Sweet. Oh God, I cannot eat it. It's too sweet. So guys, I'm back to Nizami Street today as well. This place is just amazing. You know, you have like food street, you have food, you have different brands, you have coffee shops, you have shopping malls, everything. I just love this area. And today I'm going to have my dinner here as well. Guys, we are having fries here. Hollanda Fries. Okay, so we are having these fries, huh? Okay. So we are eating this. Okay. Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, huh?
Delicious. Burj Khalifa. Good restaurant.
Tasty, huh? These items, yeah, I know. These items, actually, I used to eat them, but now, no, this is too oily. So I'm just, I am just sticking with the sweets. This is chocolate. This is a donut. Bun. Same donut, but not donut. Okay. This looks sweet. Oh God, I cannot eat it. It's too sweet. You want to try this?
Yes.
Adil?
Yesterday I brown.
You eat?
Yes.
How much is this brownie? You want to eat?
No,
No?
sweet no.
Okay. Yalla. Baklava.
It's good job. Yes.
So tonight we are going to have our mini dinner, which is actually not our dinner, just like because I haven't eaten anything in the afternoon, and so we'll have a mini meal from Döner Kebap. Okay.
Here, Döner.
Here Döner very good, Adin?
Very good.
Hi. Okay. Döner Kebap. Okay. Let's go. Here is making the doner. Pulla. Name, my name.
Nakhanay Hamid.
Hamed, okay.
Nakhanay.
So they just told me this guy's name is Hamid. Hamid, hello. Hi. Like I have ordered a sandwich doner today because I have eaten a roll doner. Okay. So Hamid is doing his magic. Okay, what he's doing, let's see. He's mixing the vegetables. I have ordered a mixed shawarma, like meat plus chicken. Okay, this is the chicken he's putting inside. Okay, and he is going after a plate. Okay. Oh, this guy is quick. This is doner, right? This is my doner, I think. This is somebody else's. Okay. Okay, let's see. And look at this. He's cutting the meat. Wow. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh yes, this guy. Huh? He's cute, right? What's your name? Sabral. Samran. Samran. Nice to meet you. Okay, so guys, here is my doner. I will just check it right now. Looks very tasty. Again, see, no extra sauces, no mayonnaise, nothing. This is just meat and vegetables. Might be there is a sauce or something. But sliced. Yeah.
I am tasty.
I love it. Nice taste. Juicy, juicy doner.
Wow.